Ngenxa yemigomo eqinile ye-COVID-19 kube kuvalelisa ukufishane kwesilisa bethathwa njengobaba wemidlalo yeshashalazi eLimpopo. URapetsoa ubedume ngeligama lomJosiah emdlalo wethelevishini obusakaza khona lapha ku-SABC 1 iSkim Sam. Izikhulumi zimncome ngeqhaza alibamba ekuthuthukiseni imidlalo yasemsakazweni iThobela FM engaphansi kwe-SABC. Ubenesiqu zobuthishela, uRapetsoa uchithe impilo yakhe efundisa isizukulwane esisha emkhakheni wokulingisa. Uhulumeni wase Limpopo manje uzibophezele ukuqinisekisa ukuthi uhlale ekhunjulwa njalo nokufezekisa amaphupho akhe.
As the provincial government, we are committing ourselves here to be working together and making sure that we honor what Paul wanted to do for the community of Limpopo, of course working together with you.
Umndeni wakhe uthi uzoqinisekisa ukuthi uyayilandela imithetho ye-lockdown ukuhlonipha ukuzibophezela kwakhe ekufundiseni abantu ngemithetho ye-COVID-19.
It's quite understandable because we are all aware of the strict regulations around COVID-19. We're all aware of the fact that it's an animal that we are not actually getting rid of anytime soon. And especially that Paul was so passionate about the whole information dissemination where COVID-19 is actually concerned. So as much as it pains us not to be able to, do what normal families would do under such circumstances.
Ushiye emhlabeni unkosikazi wakhe kanye nezingane zakhe ezintathu.